Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 10 ways to romanticize the holidays and get ready for Christmas. First up, to set the holiday vibe and get yourself feeling festive is to find a holiday playlist. I love looking on YouTube to find some cozy Christmas jazz music, so it is playing in the background while I do everything else. Next up, you have to have something hot to drink, and hot chocolate is such a staple. I have a cute little gingerbread mug. It's my first really Christmas mug, and this is just a basic hot chocolate with marshmallows and a candy cane. I'll be playing some festive Christmas music, so if you want, you can go ahead and decorate and really get yourself into that festive mood and have this video playing in the background so you can get some inspiration. Next up is a cozy matching set, and I have my staple pajamas is this plaid one. I had it for every year, and now I just got this white one that I'm currently wearing because it's just a little bit milder, and then I got this other one which has this sweater pattern on it, which I thought was really nice. So those were some matching set ideas that you can probably check out if you needed some inspo. Okay, so we have holiday music, we're wearing a cute matching set, and we've made hot chocolate. Let us make a festive simmer pot. This is so simple to make. You just need apples, oranges, lemons. You can use rosemary. I used fine thyme. You can also, of course, add in cranberries, cinnamon, vanilla extract, orange extract, and then, of course, you can throw in some spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, star anise. You can use whatever ingredients you have and then add some water and put that onto your stoves to simmer, and it smells so good throughout the day, and you can use it for about 2 to 3 days. It's like a really easy stovetop potpourri kind of idea, and you can leave it to simmer all day, and of course all of these ingredients make for a really beautiful festive aroma. Okay, so this was something that I was so excited about because this is my first real Christmas tree. Last year I used one that was in my childhood home, but this year I bought one and it is absolutely stunning. Now here's the funny part. I thought it was going to be a lot smaller. I don't know how I mismeasured, but it turned out absolutely perfect. It is an 8-foot flocked pencil tree, and I was never into pencil trees, honestly. So for me, this was such a random buy, and you guys, oh my goodness, this tree is absolutely stunning, and it literally looks as if it was meant to be in my space. Honestly, I just felt immediately so much more in the Christmas spirit with this tree up. And I always told myself if I was to get a new tree, I would want a flocked tree. And I'm so happy that I stuck with that decision because it ended up turning out to be so perfect. And I'm just using these twinkle lights. This set of lights has different settings in it, but of course the twinkle lights are my favorite. And believe me, when I started putting up the tree, I was like, oh my goodness, I think it's going to be really tall, but I'm so happy. It literally fits perfectly. I decided not to decorate my tree with baubles and a lot of ornaments because I just really liked how the lights look on its own, especially when it's twinkling like this. But I actually did pick up 3 ornaments that I will show you in a little bit. And I decided that I want to have this tradition where I curate really beautiful ornaments that I can later hand down or just do something like that. I think that will be such a nice idea. And this is when you can see I am putting up the tree and it's way past where I thought it was going to be. And this is how tall it is, you guys. I literally had to stand up on my couch to put on the rest of the lights. This was so insane, but I am just in love with how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think because it is just absolutely perfect. There's no other way that I can describe it. I wanted to make a gift list, so I decided to also make one that you can print or use on your iPad in a note-taking app. Everything will be linked down below. It is completely free, so you can go ahead and make your Christmas gift list. I love doing these because it helps me keep track of everything that I need to get, as well as what the item is that I want to gift, as well as if I bought it or wrapped it. I wanted to share with you some new things that I picked up, especially for the holidays. I actually got this gifted to me. It is a Bath & Body Works Tis the Season hand soap. I love those so much. Then I got this wax melt. I've been really into wax melts recently because you can leave it so long, unlike candles. I also picked up this wall plug-in. This is one that I get every year. It is Fresh Balsam, which is my favorite scent for the holidays. I also picked up some chocolate spoons and some festive looking candy to put in my new candy jar, which you guys will see in a little bit. I got this ceramic Christmas tree bowl, which I think is great to maybe do some cranberries or just put some candy or cookies in it. And then I also got this one, which is plastic. It's not good quality at all, but I can still use it to add like food items in it. These were the 3 ornaments I picked up. First up is this beautiful gold key with a tassel and a little bit of gems. It was giving lock and key vibes, which I loved. Next up is this feathered one. It has some glitter tips on top of it. This one didn't really match the rest of it, but something about it I really liked. And then last up, I got this heart dangly one with a feather. I really am into the feathers and the bows and the pinks with a little bit of gems. And then I have these clear ones that I actually made for Coco and Lola, and I added that to my tree, and everything looked really nice. And like I told you guys in the beginning, I really can't wait to make this a thing where every year I'm really intentional and I get some really cute ornaments, and I just have this really nice collection in years to come. I think that doing a festive DIY is so much fun, and I've always wanted to do like a little snow village. So I got this really cute little bowl plate type of thing, and I filled it up with fake snow, and then I added these pretty bottle brush trees. I am thinking that I'm going to have a huge collection of these one day. This one was a champagne color and the next one was like this pretty pink. And I got this really beautiful red car with the tree on top, and it actually has real headlights that work. And there is something about this car and this tree on top that I absolutely love. I have this image in so many different things, so to actually get it in real now makes me really happy. And the fact that the headlights work is even better. I do love how simple this looks, but I really think that one day I'm gonna do like a full little snow village and collect things over the years. But if you're looking for a festive DIY, this is something that is really easy and literally takes less than 5 minutes. And last up, we cannot forget holiday movies, and Netflix actually has a ton of those Hallmark type Christmas movies that come out every year. This is for sure one of the easiest ways to get into that Christmas spirit, and there's just something about sipping on your hot cocoa in your matching PJs and having your Christmas tree up and snuggling and watching holiday movies is just one of those really nostalgic feelings that remind me of my childhood. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I feel like if you do all 10 things, you'll be definitely fully feeling in the Christmas spirit. Thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it and if you want to see more like these, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.